what to do before you leave for your own country. So the first thing you have to do, you have to buy your tickets, and then you have to make sure you get your COVID test. So here in China, first you have to go and do your booking, and you get your test done, and the next day you can get your results, and with those results you take it with you to wherever you're going, to whichever destination or country you are going to, or back to your country. So this is the beautiful China, so beautiful, and awesome day around. And then back, you see, is negative everywhere, negative. Yeah, so I can read. Yep, signature there has to be in English.